Okay friends, to get started on our front bumper lower air deflector, we're going to crawl underneath the front. As you come along to one of the sides, you're going to happen to see that you have a mounting nut right here with a stud that comes through. Let's go ahead and remove that nut. And of course do the same to the other side. So now if you look up along where the deflector meets up against the bumper itself, you're going to find some push clips and some little clips that look like this. We need to remove all of the push clips. Let's go ahead and pull out the center. There we are. So now that we removed the outer two, let's move towards the center. You're going to find that there's one here, and then of course we'll do the same on the other side of the bumper. All right, now let's go ahead and do the same to the other side of the truck. All right, so I got all the clips out. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and push on these tabs and slowly start pushing the air deflector away from the bumper. There's going to be a whole bunch of these tabs, so just go ahead and push on them and push the air deflector away. There it is, friends. Okay friends, now it's time to get our lower deflector on here. Things we want to pay attention to, of course, are those areas that we went ahead and removed from the bumper itself. If you were to look underneath the bumper, you're going to be able to see the slots where they need to line up with. So let's go ahead and get this approximately where it needs to go. You want to go on the inside of this area here on both sides. And then as we push it in, we're going to continue on to lining up all of our tabs. Got one right there. Just going to start from one side and work my way over to the other. Now that we have it all clipped in, what you're going to notice is you're going to have to drill a hole that lines up with the stud that goes on the outer portion there. So once you go ahead and drill that hole, go ahead and start in your nut and then snug it up. After you've done that, let's continue on to our push clips. I'm going to just come right up here, start pushing it right up and into its hole, just like that, and then you push in the inner portion. That's what locks it in. Do the same to all the rest. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a nice wiggle. It feels as though it's perfectly secured. The last thing I would want to do is, of course, swap over my license plate.